Want this raised transition in CapCut? Start by adding your zooms and shakes to your edit like I do. Add keyframes like I do and follow my steps. Now add this graph. You don't have to add the same zooms that I'm doing. Just make sure that you add your zooms. Add these graphs. Now go to Effects and add Shake Effect and follow my settings and keyframes. Object it to all videos. Now add the blur effect. Copy my keyframes and settings. Now add the camera shake effect. Copy my keyframes and settings. After you're done adding effects to your edit, export it. Import it into a brand new project. Now add the neon effect. Then add the angel effect. Now go to Adjust and put saturation at -50 and adjust graph like I do. Now add a colored overlay of your choice. Go to Layers and make sure it's in front of everything else. Add the video you just exported as an overlay onto your edit. Go to Splice and choose Filter. I suggest you add CC and everything before you put it onto your edit. Now go to Opacity and copy my keyframes and settings. Make sure the middle keyframe is exactly between your two clips. use these graphs. Results.